Hi friends, here is the Rajnikant and this file has I posted in one of the group, right? One of the group I posted to find the first occurrence of a number and a character. Not only that, if the date is there, if the number is there, automatically it should pick up this date. If this is a number, then it has to pick up this date. Okay, like this. If it is 12, it has to pick up 30. But I want to pick up only the first occurrence. So here is the 5. So it has to pick up only this one, not this one. Okay. February 1st, it has to pick up. And with this file, I will post the assignment. See, here is assignment to find the values. Assignment subject should be like this. Okay. So you have to make it unique values for this, like ABC, and make sure that it should get corresponding values. If it is the resource is A, it should pick up the signs. Okay, right. I will post this in the group. So tomorrow, I will take session on this. If you are okay, then only. And coming to our session. Now, what I said, you have to pick up the number, first occurrence of number. Here, first occurrence of a character. Here, first occurrence of a number. Here, if first occurrence is a number, then it should pick up the date. See how I'll do. First of all, what you'll do is numbered. We'll find is there any numbers, right? F9. So it will pick up wherever it is having a number, it will pick up the true and remaining are all falses. If it is not a number, it will show us the falses. And wherever it finds the number, it will show us the true. So what you'll do, we are interested in true, but first occurrence. So what I'll do, match will pick up the first occurrence of a value. So I will use a true from the lookup array, F9. So it has to pick up this one. Match will pick up first occurrence. So it will pick up this one, this true. Then it will give us the position where it is actually located in a range. Now it has become an array. So F9C. If I press enter, it will give you NA. But if I press Control Shift and enter, it will give the position where the number, first occurrence of a number, 1, 2, and 3. And I'll drag this formula still here, so it will pick up the first occurrence of a numbers. Now, for index, we got the row number, that is 3. So what we need? We need this one, dates. F4, comma, here coming to here, close parenthesis, and this is an array. You have to use Control Shift and enter. It is a basic number format, normal general format. So we have to convert this into a date format by using short date. So wherever it finds the first occurrence of a number, it will pick up the date. So what you will do here, just I'll copy this one. What one? This one we need. Okay, we'll make it whole formula. Escape, F2, Control V. Instead of date, what I'll do, I need first occurrence of a number, whatever it may be. Okay, first occurrence of a number. The same formula I will use over here, like this. I'm not freezing anywhere because it should move relatively when I drag this formula row-wise. So for that reason, I'm not freezing anything. Here also nothing. Now just use Control, Shift and enter. See, first occurrence of a number. See, 5th is the first occurrence of a number. 9. 9 is the first occurrence of a number here, see. And here 12. Where is 12? Here is the 12. Wait a minute. Here is the 12. First occurrence of a number. And coming to here, we need to find out first character. The formula will be the same. Just you have to use little bit of a logic over here that we need. Here it is showing the number. Instead of number, I'll convert this into a text. That is Control Shift and Enter. So it will pick up the first occurrence of a text. See GHI. If I delete, it will pick up this DEF. So what I'll do, I'll change this DEF to some can't. Okay. Now I will delete this one. So it will pick up this can't. First occurrence of a character value. Okay, this is the solution for the file which I posted in a group. Now I post another assignment for you guys. I'll explain you. First of all, listen carefully. What I said, you have to make it unique, but you have to use Excel 2010 only. From Excel 2010, you have to do this one, right? Now, if it is A, it has to be like this in the history. With B, see, if it is B, it has to become like math, physics, chemistry. In this way, you have to extract those assignments, right? And coming to here, I'm explaining because so many people are having doubt that how can it be. They are confused with these questions. For that reason, I'm Alt HOI. Now, what I am asking you to pick up this second character, not second character, it is just two length of, wait a minute, is it right? Second one only, no? Ah, yes. Here actually have two length here. Check two length of character. Of character value and date. See, wherever it finds the two length of a character, that is here EF is there. So date has to pick up this 30. The two length character is EF and date is 30. I'll make it here 30092022. Okay, I am telling that it has to pick up two length of a character, but not a number. Number is also having two lengths. But I need only two length of a character, not a number. Okay, here 12 is there and EF is there. Both is having two length, but I need only EF, but not the 12 with the date. And here coming to the third question, that is find the third occurrence of a value. We have to find the third occurrence. What is the third occurrence? 1, 2, 3. D is the third occurrence. It may be anything, a number or a character or a text, anything, but it has to pick up this one. These are the three questions. Whenever I here third character only, here whenever I change any, here this is the criteria. So whenever I change this one, it has to pick up that character. Like 1, so it has to pick up one length character. 9 is also one length character, but I need D of one length character. Right? If anybody interested to join in a group, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys. Signing off. Rajinikanth, Excel Guru.